Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Google Analytics account from the old Google Analytics to Google Analytics 4 for Shopify. So you're in your Shopify dashboard. This is the old way of installing Google Analytics. We're going to go to our Analytics account and click Admin down the bottom and then click GA4 Setup Assistant. We're then going to click I want to create a new Google Analytics 4 property, Get Started. Click Create Property. We're now going to click See Your GA4 property. We're now going to click Data Streams. We're now going to click the data stream here and click the global site tag and click this button here that says Copy. We're now going to go back to our Shopify dashboard. We're going to go to Themes. We're going to click Actions, Edit Code. We're now going to click theme.liquid here, and right after the head tag, we're going to paste that code. Click Save. It's now saved. The next thing you're going to do is go to your Shopify store and browse the pages. We're just going to click through some of the pages here just to send the information back to Google Analytics so it knows that someone is browsing the site. Once we've done that, we're going to click Exit of the web stream details and click Real Time on the left. After doing this, wait a few minutes and then you should start seeing the data coming through. This now confirms that our analytics are now installed on the website. If it's not showing up, go to your e-commerce store, right click and go View Page Source. Here we can confirm that after our head tag, the analytics code is actually installed. If you're not seeing this here, make sure you go back to your Shopify website and make sure you click Save. If it's still not showing up, clear your cache, clear your browsing history and try again. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to come through in the overview here. That's how you upgrade your Google Analytics to Google Analytics 4. You will now find that when you go to admin, there are two properties here for your Google Analytics account. The old one using old Google Analytics and the new one using Google Analytics 4. You can switch between them and see the different data. Even though we installed it directly on our website in the code, we can leave this Google Analytics here. In the future, I expect that Shopify is going to upgrade their dashboard and their settings to add a space for you to add Google Analytics 4 into here as well. Once they do that, I'll make a video and I'll link it below on how to do it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope that was helpful in showing you how to upgrade your Google Analytics to Google Analytics 4 for your Shopify site. If it was helpful, please give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and check out my other videos because I make a lot of great content for you guys on how to grow your e-commerce store, all parts of your Shopify site, Google Ads, and other traffic sources. Hope that was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.